Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the beautiful Kincaid at Legacy. It's a Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. This is their beautiful fitness center, and man, it's really big. What's striking is how very big it is. It's got great equipment. It's got that Smith machine over here. It's got some kettlebells over here. We've got a lot of equipment over here. So rowing machine, and we've got some free weights that are over here, so this is pretty cool. So kind of shoulder presses. We've got some spin bikes that are over here too, and then hey, we've got more. We've got some treadmills over here. We've got quite a few. My goodness, we got some ellipticals over here. We do have barbells. We've got dumbbells over there too. We really have a lot of equipment. This is to me an maybe A minus. A or A minus gym. There's really so much to work with here. A lot of equipment. There's a water, filtered water over there too, and towels also. So this is a pretty nice gym. It's quiet. You've got views of the pool. Those are right there. So really, really nice gym. Hey, we're now going to go look at the pool. Let's go see that and check it out. If you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.